So guys, tonight is there's a snowstorm. It is hella cold outside. Right now my face is numb, my hands are numb. I just finished cleaning off my car and all this stuff. It is currently 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, I'm about to go home and roll snow and look at something up there. Woo. First time I'm gonna drive in the snow like this. Every time it's snow like this, I was in the yard. Woo. But this was the first time. First time for everything. Yo, I'm cool. We can't feel my face now. Anyways, let's go. Ready? Waiting on my coworkers right now. I'm still frozen. So my co-workers went ahead and cleared the way for us to drive. They're so sweet. Oh, she's still waiting us at the bottom of the hill. Yay! You see, we have good co-workers. We're actually carpooling-ish in different cars. No man left behind. Uh-oh. My car is stuck! It's stuck! Yeah! Yep! So there's a snowstorm in my state, and I was adamant that I wanted to go home last night, and the car gets stuck to the snow. So I'm currently going back for my car. The road is a hot mistake. You're gonna turn right here. You know, I almost get the last look a while. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, it is a hot mess over here. Like snow everywhere, and it's still snowing, you know. Still snowing. Yeah, better we take the highway. Highway is more clear than the back street. But I'm to see people drastic. I mean, say, oh my God, like no care. Poor Betsy.
You know, plan to wheel now.
And me how wheel now?
Wheel now. You cannot even use. You could have turned over me turn up straight like that.
Yeah, exactly. Come on already.
Traction.
Yeah?
Traction.
Yeah, you see it?
I saw my car come out. Traction like come up on my car. Could it move? Boy, I say hope to me car can move. Cause me no me close sleep. Get it back this man I think about me car. Like me leave babes are roadside.
So you're not getting no plowing now? Nothing plowing?
Yeah, the birds are not get plowed, master.
For them, we go check on them. They're going to burn up the road.
Me by Bon up road.
Those are container.
You can be sitting them off of it.
No, if you right, it be
How
here.
this here?
Mommy.
No,
He must come so fast, like a skid, he must skid side way. You know, see? And he meanie.
See, no look a plowing on this side.
You know, see the man like my glide a while ago.
But this side get look a plowing. But I need that food.
They don't want you to come at all.
Not so bad. Even last night they never plowed the road.
Before the road, guys, actually we just reached on the location where my daughter got stuck last night, and it is crazy out here. No, she only tell me last night say the car is at a safe location. Safe location? Surprisingly, look where the car is. Look where the car is. Look where the car is. So now she and her stepfather have to go shovel this, you know. Watcha. Oh my god, how she gonna manage it, you know? I don't go one speak. Shavani! 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 But pull up your zip. I am not going out there because guess what? I am just coming home from work. Just coming home from work. I'm tired. I do a double shift. Not even a double shift. Me actually get stuck at work last night. Pull up something. Look. Oh my god. No, but why Sheldon? Oh my god, Sheldon has scraped back the snow in the road with the people in plow. That's not nice. Chevoni, she Adam and she want to do this, you know. What them need to do is scrape back and run the car back. I think, you know. Sheldon, come here. Look here, when you push the car back or front, if you go reverse the car and then drive it, you don't need to scrape up the front. When you just touch back and then come out. Oh, front way I move it. So you see, that's why if you buy one more shovel, you see it? Because oh my god. You see? No sir. She gets stuck last night, see it? Oh my god, Shivoni said the car is at a mommy, I get stuck. The car is at a safe location. Surprisingly, look at the safe location now. It is at a safe location, guys. Like seriously, a safe location.
We go back go see. That's the whole point. I went back and saw the car. Nothing missing.
Honestly, I can't go there. I am tired.
Nothing missing.
And secondly, there's no sense in me going out there. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I can't do anything. They won't have one shovel. One shovel. You know, me tell Shivoni last night, I said Shivoni stay at work. That's what I said to her, and stay at work. She bring everything. Everybody at home, she want to go home in a fear like a car. Look at her. I guess maybe what Sheldon have to go do now is maybe drive Siobhan the car and Siobhan drive this van. Drive Siobhan the car and either me or Siobhan drive the van. Yeah.
Must say, I'm not even that. So when the car come out of the whole snow pile and stuff, I say, yes! I hate that. Good car come out, good car. Alright, and come and say, yeah, the snow plow. So there's no snow on the road, just like the ice. The road is frozen, yes, ice up and everything and stuff. But me I say, yes, the snow off of the road so we can drive.
Yeah.
Dad? My blood pressure like gone up. Blood pressure gone up bad. Like, me just frustrated. Like, we come to the point and say, nah. Yo, the stress I'm gonna go through to get my car is beyond me. Honestly, I feel like I need to go nowhere else for the year or for the snow season. Like, next time it snow, me, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but me got to know or this time. I don't that. It's like, I don't know. Me really don't know. Like, people, I may tell you, say, if you don't have to leave your house or leave your workplace, don't leave because, up to now my head that hurt me. And the worst part about it too is when I come home and say, yes, it's all over. I'm finally reach. Literally took me an hour to reach home. I live 15 minutes away from work and it took me an hour to get back here. Best believe you me. I think about when I reach home too, the whole of the driveway full of snow. So I'm come back again and shovel out the snow so I can park the car in the driveway because where I live I can't park the car on the roadside. And then secondly, if me leave the car out upon it in the driveway like that there, the driveway I go full of snow basically. I'm gonna show all of that snow. And it is still snowing. People, I am not lying when I said it's a snowstorm for days. Like, it is still snowing. It is still snowing. Like, it is beyond me. It is still snowing. Look. I cheer them there. I feel I should have cheered them, but yeah. It's still a snow. Very, like, people, literally just get out and go get the car. I am telling you, it's the worst experience ever to be stuck in snow, to be like really, really cold. Like, I couldn't sleep last night. Maybe take a good snap because I'm tired, but I could not sleep last night because my car was quote unquote in a safe place. Yeah, at this point in time, I think I'm gonna get me a new car. I don't know what I'm gonna get me a new car. I'm gonna need an SUV because Babes just feel me. I love Babes so much because it's my first car and she drives pretty well, but the snow is not her favorite weather. It's not a favorite thing, so I don't know. I'm gonna leave Babes. I'm bringing back Babes to the dealership.